Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to do 213F, the exploded view drawing sheet of the selfie stick assembly that we've been doing in the last couple of weeks. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to go ahead and screenshot and submit your drawing sheet with your name on it. Okay. Again, pretty straightforward. You're going to show me the parts list up here, and then also the bubble balloon diagram with all the listed parts in this exploded view drawing for your selfie stick. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so so this is what's going to look like. All right, you're going to have your parts list, and then you're going to have your balloon diagram with the numbers with the circles. Okay, okay, so this is where we left off last time. We just finished the animation for our selfie stick. So now we're going to go ahead and create a drawing sheet. I'm going to go here in the workspace. I'm just going to drop down from the animation workspace, and I'm going to go all the way down drawing. I'm going to go down from drawing not from the design, but from the animation. Okay. And then the create drawing window comes up. Okay. I only have one storyboard. So, and then I'm going to click on the A size title block template, hit OK. So let that process. Okay. All right, so let's drop it. Our parts list is gonna be on the top left. So we're gonna let's put our selfie stick exploded view down here on the bottom right, okay, as far as we can without touching the lines. Okay, and then we're gonna change the scale from 1 to 8 to 1 to 6. I think that's how we work, 1 to 6, all right. Make this a little bit bigger. I'm gonna hit okay, then I can move it, all right. Move it up a little bit. That way it doesn't look so crowded. All right, so I think that's gonna work. Okay, so let's add our parts diagram. Okay, looks good. All right, so now I'm gonna click on tables, and then I'm gonna drop down and click on the parts list, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and snap it up here on the top left corner, all the way up here. All right, and see, it automatically puts the balloons. So I'm gonna click on the parts. Let's click on the words here so I can move it real quick. Let's see if I can move it. There you go. Let's do it. That's not what I want to move. Do I want to move that? Well, let's click this and move. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's try to snap it quickly there because it looks really crowded and really messy, but we're going to fix that in just a second. If I can get this to move. I have trouble with this. I'm going to do as best I can to snap it to the top corner without looking kind of weird. Oh, that looks weird. All right, let's do it like this, okay? Because what we're going to do is delete some of these columns to make room, okay? So there we go. So now I'm going to do is double click on the parts list on this table here. Oh, double click. No. Trying to get the other window open, right? All right, stay there. Stay. Double click. Oh, there we go. So I double clicked, right? See that? I got the parts list window open. Configured out earlier. So let's double click. There you go. Double click. And then I'm going to uncheck materials because we don't really need to see that. It's all steel. And then I'm also going to uncheck the description because we really don't need a description. So then we just want this little table right here, right? Hit close, right? The item, the quantity, and the part number. So I'm going to go ahead and move it again all the way over to the top left so we can have room for the balloon diagram and numbers. All right. There we go. Let's just leave it there. Kind of wanted to line up, but I wanted to disappear in the corners. It's killing my hand. That was okay. That was just like that. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to move this balloon diagram, make some move it over. We can move the numbers around. See how it kind of looks busy. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the center of the 9 here. I'm definitely going to move that. See how that looks there. And then this 3. Click on the 3 and let's move it. Let's move it here. Nope, you don't want to cross. So that looks kind of busy too. I guess we can leave it like that. I can move the 4 a little bit in. Let's do that. Let's make it symmetrical, so I can move this 3 over here. We don't want it to cross though. See if I can move it over here. Oh no, that's crossing too. So I wanted to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but that doesn't make any sense. Let's play around with this for a second. Hit 1. I'll put the 3 here. All right, see what I'm saying? It goes 1, 3, 2, 4. That doesn't make sense. Sequentially, it doesn't, but that's how it looks. I guess that's how we put everything in order, right? And then let's move this 8 up here a little bit. All right. So you want it to look as nice and professional as possible, right? See what I'm trying to do? I take advantage of the dead space, but also give some room to make it look professional. Whoop, I didn't mean to move the whole thing. Hit undo. All right, so I'm gonna move this 4 a little bit like that. So that way I can move this 5 a little bit higher. I can move that 6 balloon up higher. Okay, what's the, there we go, just like that, perfect. So now I can move the 6 a little bit better. There we go, see that? Now I don't like the angle of the line of the 6. I kind of want it to look like that. Okay, there we go. So that looks good to me. All right, so go ahead and save it. I'm gonna hit save. Selfie stick, and you want to put exploded drawing. Add exploded on there. Space, hit save, and then we're done. All right. So congratulations, you guys. We just assembled a selfie stick. We animated it, and we also created the exploded view drawing. Okay, so on to our next project for the spring. Right after spring break, I'll tell you guys about that in a second. Thank you.